This is probably one of my most common seams I do when I work with fleece. This is polar fleece from Joann's. It's a little on the thin side. This is the right side of the fabric. This is the wrong side of the fabric. What I do is I take my fabric right sides together, do about a 1/2 inch seam allowance, and I'm going to use the triple stitch here. That's 2 steps forward, 1 step back. It's a stretch stitch, and it's a very strong stitch. That's why I use it for construction when I do fleece garments. It goes forward 2, back 1, forward 2, back 1. I like this stitch because it's a really strong stitch, and if you top stitch with it, it's a lot thicker than a single stitch. That's the seam. That's normally how you do it. Most people leave it like that. And this is the inside with the seam allowances. I then go back with a pair of pinking shears, trim it down to about 1/8 of an inch or so. I cut the seam allowance off. Then I take the seam and I finger press it open. I sometimes leave it at that, or if I want it just a tad bit flatter, just take a tool and flatten it a little bit more. I go to the front of the garment and finger press the seam so I can get a nice looking seam. And that's how I do most of my quick seams with fleece. This is the inside. Now, a quick way to decorate this to make it look a little nicer is to top stitch over the seam you just did with a deco stitch. I'm going to use the I'm going to use the 35, which is the honeycomb. You put your fabric in here, right side up, locate your seam right in the middle of your foot. I'm using an open toe embroidery foot so you can see it a little bit better. And then just go directly over the seam. And you can use any deco stitch you want as long as it's got a little bit of stretch to it to match the fleece. And that gives a decorative, this is the exterior, gives a little bit of a kind of a reverse cover stitch look to it. And then on the inside it takes and covers all of the seam allowances that we just had, so it's nice and smooth on the inside. This is probably my second most used seam I do on fleece.